This is not sponsored. It is all based on my first impression and my experience with the product. Catastrophic. Hey team, welcome to today's video and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Hayden. It is a Monday, therefore it is time for another review. I have sat on this one for a couple of weeks since it's arrived. And that's because I had some other things that I wanted to get out of the way, namely the Fashion Nova video that went up recently. If you were a regular here, you know I usually dive into fast fashion for men or fashion for men and skincare for men. And that's exactly what we're looking at today. I am a bit of a connoisseur of skincare. I am not professionally trained, however, I have been delving into it for many years, so I'd like to think I know a little bit about it. What we are looking at today is a brand that I haven't actually used before, nor have I ever reviewed their products before. We're looking at something from Shiseido. Now, in case you aren't aware of what Shiseido for Men is, it is somewhat of a luxury brand. It is definitely not going to be found in drugstore price range or lower end price range. However, it is not a catastrophic sold your soul kind of a price point. It is a little more on the higher end of the midway. I paid $61.05 of my own money for this item. So this is not sponsored. It is all based on my first impression and my experience with the product. For the $61.05, you will get 150 mils or 5 fluid ounces of product in here. The product from Shiseido Men that we are looking at today is the Hydrating Lotion. And specifically, the reason we're looking at this one is for its claim on the back, protection against razor burn. Now, I don't regularly shave my neck. I usually clipper it down to 0 using an electric razor, but today I tried it out. So I've just got out of the shower, I had a shave after a workout this morning, and I'll insert a clip of the shaving just so I can try this out to see if it does any soothing or anything like that. Now, like I just said, I have just shaved and I am starting to feel some irritation in this area here. I do have very sensitive skin, so that's why I typically don't reach for a razor for a clean shave. I go with the electric razor, which isn't necessarily the shortest you can get to the skin. And a clean look does look better, in my opinion. Before I put this on, and I am going to speed this up because I can feel it doing some stuff down here, let's just have a look at what the claims are on the back. It has a powerful science, practical skincare. This is a product from Japan. It's a lightweight water fresh lotion that delivers generous soothing moisture to just shaved or cleansed skin, which I have just done. Helps preserve optimal moisture levels for a feeling of comfort and protection against roughness and razor burn. Formulated with damage defense complex, protects against environmental stress and dryness. Apply after cleansing or shaving. Take up a generous amount of lotion into the palm, pat gently over face. The packaging itself is quite nice. It's a very matte, sturdy cardboard that does have a bit of a shine, and it's got silver edging, almost holographic but not quite. And here is what it looks like straight out of its packaging. There's no labels on the bottle, which is a little odd, but oh no, it is, sorry, my mistake. It's right here. It's silver embossing. You can't quite see it through the liquid. It's hard plastic, but it feels high end. Now, it comes with a little safety seal on here to let you know that, hey, I haven't been opened, I'm fresh. Before I put this on my face, you can see razor burn starting to come in after I've just finished shaving. So let's be quick. It's a screw lid that says put a generous amount into your palm. Let me just put the lid down. Interesting, it has absolutely no odor whatsoever. Now, I'm not going to put it all over my face because I didn't shave the rest of my face, obviously. As you're putting it on, there is a bit of a sting. So I'm hoping this is going to absorb in and take away some of that razor burn. It is very liquidy. Right after application, I don't feel any tackiness, any sliminess. There's no residue, though you can tell that you've got something on. Now, I'm going to give this a couple of minutes to dry down, and then we'll see if there's any noticeable difference.
A few moments later.
It has been 9 minutes since I've put it on. It's all absorbed. It is slightly tacky, however, the razor burn has progressed and gotten worse. Now, this could be because I didn't put it on straight away. As soon as I finished shaving, I obviously got dressed, did my hair, and then put it on. This is the reason why I don't use a razor. Now I'm going to continue using the product over the next few weeks until it's gone, just to see if that makes a difference if I put it on directly after I shave versus what I've done today. All in all though, the product itself feels quite soothing on the skin. It stung a little bit to start with, but over time it has soothed the burn of my razor rash. Not quite enjoying the slight tackiness of the product after applying it to my skin. Hopefully that'll dissipate over time. Would I purchase it again? At this point in time, no. I only had one experience with it and it hasn't done what it was supposed to do. But again, that could be user error. We're 3 hours in and it's actually calming down and the tackiness is completely gone. So he's hoping it will do what it's supposed to do, but it's no longer as angry as it was before. I will link it down below if you want to check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, team. Make sure we do the fun stuff, but most importantly, stay tuned.